Obtain the center and the radius of the circle represented by the equation x squared plus y squared minus 10y plus 16 is equals to 0. Now to obtain the center and the radius of this circle given by the equation, we are going to complete the squares that are not complete first. And one thing that you're supposed to know is the standard form of the equation of a circle. This is how it should be: x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equals to radius squared. That is how the standard equation of a circle should look like. Now we need to organize whatever we have here and have it in that form. So we start by completing this square, x squared. When I look at the whole of this equation, we don't have any other term containing x. So that one, we can simply complete it by adding a 0. Just add a 0 because we don't have 0x. We don't have any other term. Then we square that. Then we have y plus y squared. Then we have a term here containing y, so minus 10y. So this one is not complete, so we must complete this square. It's not complete. Then for positive 16, we can take it to the right hand side, and this one will give us negative 16. So for this one, the first part, x squared plus 0x, because we don't have any other term. So that one, when you complete it, we'll simply get x plus 0 squared. That is what you get when you complete it. And that is what will give x squared. X plus 0 squared, we get x squared. Then for this one, y squared, you know how to complete this, minus 10y plus, we get half the coefficient of y, half the coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is negative 10. It is negative 10. Get half of that and you square. The coefficient of y is negative 10. Get half of that and square. You get 25. So what you should add, the last term will be 25. And then on the right hand side, you have negative 16. Whatever you added in each of these terms, you must add. Here you added 0. 0 will not make any difference. Then you added 25. So you must add 25 here. This one will give x plus 0 squared plus, when you factorize y squared minus 10y plus 25, you get y minus 5 squared. And this one should give negative 16 plus 25, you get 9. With this now, you can see now it has formed the standard equation of a circle. We can just compare the terms, just compare, and you'll be able to get the radius and the center. I forgot to say that in this equation, AB is the center. AB is the center of the circle. And radius, of course, R is the radius. So when you extract now these, when you compare what you have here, x plus a, no, x minus a, x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equals to r squared. Automatically, you will see that a will be 0, and b will be, just look at minus b, just compare minus b is equals to minus 5. So b is equals to 5. Minus b is equals to minus 5. So b will be 5. So the center therefore will be AB, and the center will be 0, 5. So that is the center. Then for the radius, just compare what you have here. Radius squared is equals to 9. So radius is equals to positive 3. You don't consider the negative for the radius. So we have answered the question. We've given the center and we have given the radius.